Hey, honey, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. It's May 16th, the 136th day of the year. You have to excuse me. I've been going on a lot of auditions. Hey, me. And I've been having to change my look so that everybody can see how versatile I am. I can play more than one type of character. Listen, today is National Barbecue Day. I wanted to let y'all know that, and I'm dressed in my barbecue attire. But it is also National Mimosa Day. So I thought I would share with you guys my little kit that I keep with me, especially on the weekends and on Saturdays. Always ready. I keep two of these. Look at this, ain't it cute? It's a disposable, a portable wine glass. So this is my little mimosa kit. See, it's just two, you screw it, and it's so cute. It's so perfect. This is why everybody always invites me everywhere, because I have the best stuff in my purse. You see this? Fits perfectly. Cute as it can be, honey. I keep it in the freezer, so when somebody calls me, I throw it in the bag and then I hurry up and get where I'm supposed to go. Now, I tried different types of little miniature champagnes, honey, and I like really good orange juice. You need to try to get 100% juice as much as possible, because orange juice is just sugar and water in the stores. It's just concentrated, because often I have an actual orange, honey, and I slice it and squeeze fresh orange in there, because for a really good mimosa, you just need just a little topper of orange juice. You need good champagne. That's what you need. Don't worry about the orange juice, honey. I don't really do champagne because of the bubbles. So I frequently substitute it for vodka, but I try to stay on program. Listen, I just want to give you a little fun fact about mimosas. They were named after a plant. It's a beautiful yellow flowering plant, and that's where the name mimosa came from. And they've been around since the 1920s. In Paris, they were very popular. And then in the 1960s, the royal family in the United Kingdom endorsed the mimosa and made it super popular over there. And then Alfred Hitchcock, a mystery writer, made them really popular in the United States. Now, Lynn Redgrave and some other actresses quickly caught on and started drinking mimosas and made them very fashionable. And now everybody knows that brunch is where it's at, and you got to have some mimosas and all of that. Go easy on that orange juice and make sure you have good champagne, honey. Happy National Mimosa Day. Did y'all know all that?